Grand Central Terminal's hidden gems and stories. Every day, 750,000 people stroll through these halls. They look at the golden clock, the celestial ceiling, and the grand staircases. But beneath their feet lies a secret that was once a matter of national security. A hidden railway platform, a private armored train, and a president who needed to disappear. Welcome to the secrets of Grand Central. Deep dive into Grand Central, the celestial ceiling mistake expanded. Look up at the 125-foot turquoise ceiling. It's breathtaking, but it's actually a beautiful lie. The 2,500 stars and the zodiac constellations are painted completely backward. While the Vanderbilt family who funded the station jokingly claimed it was from God's point of view, the truth is likely a simple human error by the painters who held the blueprints upside down. But look closer at the constellation of Cancer. Right next to it, there's a tiny, dark, rectangular patch. This isn't a shadow. When the station was restored in the 90s, experts left that single patch untouched to show the world the before and after. That black residue is the buildup of decades of tobacco smoke and train soot from a time when New York was a very different city. The Whispering Gallery now. Let's head down to the lower level, right in front of the legendary Oyster Bar. You'll see people standing in opposite corners, whispering to the walls. This is the Whispering Gallery because of the perfect ceramic archway designed by the Spanish architect Rafael Guastavino. Sound waves travel seamlessly along the curve of the ceiling without losing volume. You can stand 30 feet away from someone and whisper a secret as if you were standing right next to their ear. It's an architectural fluke that has become a New York legenda, place of secret proposals and, as rumors say, a spot where spies during the Cold War could exchange information without ever being seen. Together, for the climax, track 61 and the Nazi. Saboteurs expanded, but the deepest secret is hidden behind a locked door in the basement. Track 61. This wasn't just a platform. It was a fortress for President Franklin D. Roosevelt. During World War II, FDR used a custom-made armored train to hide his struggle with polio from the public. The train carried his heavy Piazzaro limousine, which would drive off the train and straight into a massive SO grate elevator that rose directly into the Waldorf Astoria Hotel. But that's not all. Deep below the station is the M42 basement. This room was so secret that during the war, it was guarded by soldiers with orders to shoot on sight. It contained the power generators for the entire East Coast rail network. In fact, Hitler sent Nazi saboteurs to New York with one mission: to destroy these generators with bags of sand. They were caught just in time, but the room remains one of the most guarded secrets in NYC history.